My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Seat Ateca. This vehicle has done just over 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media, Bluetooth and voice control. To the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Using this dial here, we can switch between the 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.